Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend on the time you are watching this video from. For purpose of this lesson, it is educational purposes that I am making this video. I want to show you how I made this automated report card sheet using Excel and the Microsoft Word. This is basically automated in the sense that the scores are being added automatically. The total average and the grade are being generated automatically whenever I enter the figures or the data here. For the purpose of this lesson, I want to use the junior secondary section to subject to do this lesson. Now I'm going to enter the name. Let's start with the admission number, then the class name, then term, it's the second term, first term. Alright, this is resumption test, first test, project, second test, and then exam. This has been, it is automated in the sense that this field carries 10 marks up to this field here, which is second test, carries 10 marks each, whereas exam carries 60 marks. So if I enter it's 8 here, it gives me an error. Not more than 10 is required. I cancel and I come to exam and I enter 90. So it gives me an error. So it is automated. Now I'm going to enter random figures here. As you can see, it is calculating it immediately and giving me the total, average, and the grade. I am going to pause this while I complete this course. So you can see it, the result is now completed. As you can see, the grade, it generates this automatically, the average automatically, and then the total. Now I'm going to carry this, I'm going to move this data into another sheet, and that sheet is called the broadsheet. My former school call it the clean sheet. The clean sheet is free from error. Now teachers use this pen to write these things, but computer generate this thing automatically. So we don't need to use pen to write anything anymore. So going to, if you look at your total score, the markup 10, then average is the average for the total here. Get the average. Now when I submit this, now it's taking it to the broadsheet. So you can see this is now empty. Coming over here, you can see the name Favor David here. You can see the admission number, JSS1, can see it. Look at the scores on top here. These are the ones I added before. So look at it. Everything is completed here. Now I'm going to bring this course. I'm going to link it or bring it to Microsoft Word where it will be printed. As you can see, I'm having 3 students here: Favour David, Peter Sumto, and then Joseph Rita. These 3 students will be printed automatically with their scores in their report card. All right. Now here is the report card designed in Microsoft Word. You can see it. This is the subject. This Maths, English, Basic Science, Social, Home Economics, Civic, and then so let's check. As you can see, Maths, English, Basic Science, Social, Home Economics, Civic, just the same thing the way it is. You can see it. So I'm going to import. As I've said, I'm going to import these scores, all of them, one after the other, into Microsoft Word here. Now I'm going to import them. Currently I am in a Belechukwu International School, and so I'm doing this basically for my school. Okay. Now look at it. So let me import it. Let me check for the name. Okay, junior school. This is it, and I open it. As you can see, this is broadsheet, entry form, grade, and row. If I come here now, I will show you. This is entry form, this is broadsheet, this is row, and the grade. Then I'll say okay. Import mass. Okay, let me start from the name. This is the name. All right, I don't want it this way. I'll come and preview it. As you can see, this is Favour David. And look at it, Favour David. You can see Peter Sumto, the second one, and Joseph. As I told you, I have 3 names in that list. Joseph Rita, which is 3. If I go back, Peter Sumto, and then Favour David. So this is awesome. Then bring in the class. This is class, and then admission number. This is his admission, her admission number section. Consider term. As you can see, this first term. So you can see the name changes while the admission number changes, whereas the name remains, the name changes as well. You can see the admission number changes. Now let me import the subjects. Mass resumption test. Mass first test. Mass projects. Mass second tests. Mass exam. Then mass total, mass average. Alright, mass average is down. This is mass average. Now I'm having this score here. I'm going to do something here. So this is what I did in order to reduce the average. Let me import the grade as well. Mass grade. I'm going to pause the video, but before I pause it, let me show you this figure. So let me, as you can see, it's turning, it's moving. Can you see it? Nothing. Can you see it? Can you see? Let's check for Favor David. Let's check for Favor David. His mass. What the grade in the Excel sheet. Favor David. Now look at Favor David. Look at this grade. C here. and you can see here. Now I'm going to pause this video, I'm going to fast forward it, and I'm going to complete the whole of it. I'll come back. Okay, the mask is now completed. As you can see, it is now completed. I've imported the marks complete, the scores, the data completely. Now let me show you. This is number 3, Joseph Ritter. Number 2, as you can see, the figures change. Total, look at mark of 10 changed. Admission, likewise the figures for the data here changes. Number 2, Peter Sumter, everything changes. Look at the average here, changes. I used to just separator, likewise everything changes. So if you find value in this video, you can like and then give a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Then I'm doing this basically for my school, that's campus 3, campus 4, the Bellevue International School. But if other schools request for it, I can equally do it for them. You can contact me. Now let me see or show how it can be printed. When I click here and I edit this, all can see it. Look at the 3. Look at the results. Look at the results. 1, 2, and 3. So from here I will send it to the printer. Look at the way to look like when I send it to the printer. Next page, okay, nothing is there. This is the pages 3. It's 3 number. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'm going to show how I did this, and then this as well. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.